Today we're going to be looking at the ambiguous wide frame silhouette illusion. Here's what to look for. In this illusion, you will see a rotating head. The head initially appears to be rotating and then quickly changes to appear as though it's oscillating. As you can see in the image, the head is rotating, and when it gets to the back of the head, it then appears to change directions and rotate the opposite direction. So what did you see? Most people initially see a rotating floating head. After a few seconds, it's hard to tell what direction the head is truly going. Now let's modify the head to appear as a solid figure. Is it easier to tell which direction the head is actually going now? By presenting the image as a solid head, it becomes easier to see. Let's try a different modification. Can you see it now? It might take a minute. Here's a tip. Look at the top of the head and cover the rest of the image with your hand. This might help to manipulate your perspective of the image. You might be feeling a lot like this right now. Let's talk about why the illusion occurs and in some cases might be hard to see. So why does this happen? Well, within our brains, we have what is called the fusiform face area, or FFA. This is located in the temporal lobe, and it is specifically designed to process facial features and distinguish between different faces. This area becomes highly active when viewing faces, allowing us to identify individuals based on their facial characteristics. With that being said, our brains can understand this, but not this. Our brain's instinct is to fill in the gaps of the image to better normalize what it knows, creating an illusion that the front of the face, or the part of the face that looks normal, stays in the front. Now, if we were to not have this part of our brain, or if there was a deficiency in this part of our brain, then we would have the disorder prosopagnosia. It's a selective deficit in recognizing faces. This is a neurological condition in which face recognition impairs, but other forms of visual object recognitions are relatively intact. So, if you do not have this deficiency, it means that your brain is working properly, and it should be a good thing to be able to notice the illusions. Thanks for watching.